All right, so this is what we got. Let's open them up. The first one we have is dark chocolate pretzel with sea salt. Real dark chocolate, no palm oil, vegan, gluten-free. Oh my goodness. There she is. The smell. All right, before we try it, they are 200 calories per bar, 6 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, 2 grams of dietary fiber. We have 14 grams of sugar and 12 grams of protein. And here we go. Oh my goodness. Heaven. Go buy these now. Y'all, I'm not even joking. There's all these other flavors in here. There's mint chocolate chip, chocolate almond, chocolate chip. Say what? Say less.